Hello investors and traders. Welcome to my new channel WisdomInvest, where I am talking about new learnings with the stocks each and every time. Today we are going to talk about some stocks which have given a dip lately and if this is a good time to invest in these stocks or not. While I go further in these stocks, please understand that this is only for education. These are my personal investments. However, this is not an investment advice or a recommendation from my side. I am just explaining you that with which perspective I am investing in these stocks. So my stock is a leader in cybersecurity, that is PALO ALTO. Well, cybersecurity is something which is inevitable with the digital revolution which our whole world is going through. With the cloud revolution, with the artificial intelligence, the analytics, with everything coming on the computers and the mobile phones, cybersecurity is inevitable. Palo Alto has got several products and solutions in this range. In fact, it covers a full spectrum of cybersecurity. That means it can provide security on cloud networks, on-premise. It can also provide network security and domain security. So you can see that it's a leader in almost every area. This stock had been surging very high. However, lately it did give a dip and you can see that there was a lower guidance. Their earnings were good. However, the guidance was lowered and this is the reason of the guidance. Our guidance is a consequence of driving a shift in our strategy in wanting to accelerate both our platformization and consolidation and activating our artificial intelligence leadership. Basically, they are moving ahead of the subscription-based model for each and every service to an integrated platform that you do not have to pay one by one for each service. That means that there will be a difference in the way the structuring of the payment system or monetization of this platform will be done. However, it's a big platform and big enterprises are using this platform. So I do not see that there will be a decrease in the number. There will be a big decrease or change that will come through. Now, therefore, I say that this stock could be a good idea to invest. At present, you can see that the stock had surged 237. It had fallen down from 264 and it has surged to 317. There is still around 5% of decrease, which has been around 10%. It's still trading at 10% low, and I am investing in this stock, and I did invest a little yesterday at 301. So this is a stock in my eyes which I am going to invest. If you want to see fundamentally, I will not go into greatly into fundamentals. However, you can see that its EPS is 7.34, which is a good one. It is expensive. The PE ratio is high. However, if you see that how it has performed financially, I wouldn't say that there is a problem. You can certainly say that it is overvalued. However, it is giving good results. You can see the return of investment is 10%, the net profit margin is 30%, and the operating margin is around 10%. Hence overall, I find this stock a good deal for now. Even if it is only low by 10%, I still see that there will be a surge very quickly. Thank you. I would request you to see my other videos about Meta and you would understand my investment strategy. There are only few stocks in which I pick some momentum and I invest. Most of the time, I am trying to invest as a passive trader or investor, where I invest when the stocks are already low. So I invest in Palo Alto basically because I see an opportunity here. Another stock which is a leader in cloud security, it is CrowdStrike. If you see that they have also got a lot of cloud security and endpoint security services, and here you would see that their business is also quite diversified. Hence, this stock also took a dip when the Palo Alto guidance came. Now, I think that this stock can have a good surge, at least around 70% in future. It might be a good point to invest in CrowdStrike. However, after this, probably once this stock reaches 400, it can get more risky to invest in this stock because I would like to explain the best time that would have been to invest in this stock could have been around 160. Now, if we did not invest, probably at 285 we could have invested. Now, there is a kind of a retest which has happened in this stock. From here, the stock might go higher and there might be a surge. However, we have to be very cautious while taking this risk. And this is what I wanted to explain you by using an example of CrowdStrike. Out of CloudStrike and Palo Alto Networks, I put my bet on Palo Alto Networks as it is a leader. And thank you. Thanks for your support. I would like to hear from you in comments that what do you think about my videos and my explanation. Please understand that once again, these are not recommendations. These are only for education and understanding different perspectives of investing. Please get on to my Telegram channel if you want more tips or if you want to talk something. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.